In this video, I'll show you how to make your Facebook profile completely private in 2025. So whether you're on an iPhone or an Android device, the steps are pretty much the same. Now start by opening the Facebook app and heading to your profile. From there, tap on the settings icon and go into the privacy checkup section. Inside the privacy checkup, look for the part that says who can see what you share and tap continue. Here's where you can go through your profile details and lock them down. Then change everything to only me so no one else can see your personal info. You will also be able to decide who sees your posts and stories and even limit older posts that are already out there. Once you're happy with the changes, tap next twice to go through the rest of the settings. To double check that everything is set up right, go back to your profile. Tap those three dots in the corner and hit View As. This way, you can see what your profile looks like to other people. Now your Facebook profile is totally private and your info is safe.